Let's look at the tricky question you might frequently see as part of Outlook test. You would like to get a confirmation that the recipient has read your email. Which Outlook option should you use? And you have 6 choices. Have replies sent to, do not deliver before, expire message after, request a delivery receipt for this message, secure message by using digital signature, or none of the above. Do you think you know the answer? Let's see how we can get to the correct answer together. When you create new email message in Outlook, you have options of how the message will be delivered and tracked. To configure these options, you need to navigate to the Options section. Here, in the Tracking section, you need to expand and go to the Details. There are a lot of different choices that you have, so let's look at each one of those in more details. Choice A defines which email address the email will be responded to if recipient chooses to respond to your email message. You can configure different email box if you would like to. Do not deliver before allows you to postpone the delivery of your message. Expire message after allows you to expire the message after a certain period of time, so it's no longer going to be accessible to the recipient. Request a delivery receipt for this message will indicate that the message was delivered to recipient's email box. Secure message by using digital signature allows you to secure the message and ensure that it's not going to be tampered with. The question is asking, how would we get a confirmation that the recipient has read the message? There is a designated option, request a read receipt for this message, which is not available as one of the choices in the question. So the correct choice here is choice F, because none of the choices A through E meet the criteria of the question. Let's recap. There are 2 choices in Outlook that help you with tracking. Request a delivery receipt for this message, which allows sender to receive a notification when email message was delivered to recipient's mailbox, as well as request a read receipt for this message, feature of Outlook which would allow sender to receive notification into Outlook mailbox when message was opened by the recipient. Because second choice is not listed here as one of the valid choices, the correct answer to this question is none of the above. That was a tricky question with 6 possible choices. I hope you've learned how to answer these types of tricky questions on the test, but if you would like to see more questions, please make sure to check out my ebook in the description section of this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Skills that you learn here will be helpful for you now and also in the future. You will also have an opportunity to help other people by answering their questions and helping them solve their challenges. If this video was helpful, consider giving it a big thumbs up. This tells us that you need more content like this and we'll deliver to you in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.